The guide to GCP versus AWS. These days, businesses are actively moving to cloud platforms for a variety of reasons. Cloud platforms offer cost-effective, dynamic, and scalable storage and compute solutions that can provide a host of benefits over on-premise infrastructure. Amazon and Google are two household names that provide cloud platform solutions with Amazon Web Services, or AWS, and Google Cloud Platform, or GCP. Here's a quick guide. What is better, AWS or Google Cloud? Both AWS and GCP are premium and popular cloud platforms with large followings of loyal users. However, the best way to differentiate between them is to take a look at key areas where they shine and what they offer in terms of features and cost effectiveness. While AWS dominates in terms of market share, there are several other differences that are important to keep in mind while trying to make a choice. First and foremost, AWS offers a large and diverse range of features and services that can come in handy for any workflow. For example, GCP offers MySQL and PostgreSQL options if you want a fully managed SQL solution. With AWS, along with these options, you can also opt to use MariaDB, Oracle, Aurora, and Microsoft SQL Server. Similarly, in terms of serverless compute product, GCP offers Google Cloud Functions that supports serverless functions, but only those written in Python or Node.js. Also, AWS offers a more versatile solution for serverless workflow called AWS Lambda. AWS also wins in terms of sheer scale, has many more servers and data centers around the world, including China. In comparison to about 95 services offered by GCP, AWS offers more than 200 services. While the sheer number of services might not be important for everyone, a lot of the additional services offered by AWS are particularly relevant to organizations that have specific needs. AWS has been around for a much longer period of time. It can offer support for a wide range of commercial licenses. If you plan to use a service that needs commercial support like Oracle, it might be a better idea to choose AWS as your platform of choice. AWS also sports a huge repository of documentation and research material in different languages and is much lauded for the quality of its paid support infrastructure. Is Google Cloud cheaper than AWS? Overall, GCP is known for being less expensive than AWS. However, this cost difference matters most only in specific use cases. In some cases, the elevated cost of AWS might even make sense, keeping in mind that global coverage and additional features that it can provide. Do AWS and GCP offer free tiers? Let's take a look at the free tiers, which are a great way for businesses to get their foot in the door and try things out. AWS and GCP both offer excellent free tiers that are meant to encourage businesses to get in and try different services before making a purchasing. The AWS free tier is a little complicated, with free tier promotions running on a specific selection of services, divided between always free, 30-day, and 12-month periods subject to limits in consumption. With GCP, things are much simpler, with a total of 24 products and services receiving always free tiers. This, too, depends on consumption limits. While price cuts abound on both ends, the services provided by GCP are generally cheaper than AWS prices. With lower base prices, GCP can also offer significant savings for businesses through its GCP sustained use and committed use discount programs. Compared with AWS on-demand prices, these discount programs can offer more in terms of savings. GCP can also be cheaper for organizations with large data storage needs. With the exception of archival storage, storage prices seem to be about 20% cheaper than comparable storage solutions provided by AWS. Which cloud is better? If you are looking for a large range of services, then AWS would be an obvious choice. It can also be a smart selection if you are looking to run extremely large and powerful instances. On the other hand, if you want configurability and a fully customized instance, GCP would emerge as a better alternative. If you are looking for commercial license tie-ins and plan to use solutions like Oracle, AWS can be a better choice with full support for a variety of commercial platforms. AWS is also the largest in terms of market share and global presence, and its CDNs can be a profound way to make content accessible across the globe with fast speeds. GCP is growing at a rapid rate, and the competitive pricing, Excellent AI tools and versatile CLI options can make it a great choice as costs are increasing because of policies. Do I need a GCP or AWS provider near me? Whether you choose AWS or GCP, implementing the cloud workflow can be a complex process that takes time and effort. Getting help from an expert AWS or GCP service provider near you can make things a lot easier. Service providers like NextPhase.ai can come in and help you in making these decisions and developing an overall data strategy. Have questions about GCP or AWS? Call or email anytime. We help companies like yours every day. Thanks for watching.